Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you, dear students? Okay, I hope all of you is fine. Okay, alhamdulillah kita sudah ulangan bersama kemarin, dan alhamdulillah juga nilainya cukup baik. Nah, untuk nilai yang masih kurang, berarti for this chapter, for the next, kalian harus lebih banyak belajar lagi. Oke, now let's go to the chapter 1. Di sini we want to study about application letter. Nah, gini, when we are going to apply for scholarship or internship and jobs, we are often asked to attach an application letter. Ya kan? Now, an application letter usually contains reason why an applicant is the most qualified person for the applied position. In the application letter, we can find brief explanation about the application qualities and skill. Nah, in this chapter, we will learn how to make the letter. Okay, jadi actually if you want to, after you graduate from the vocational high school, actually you want to get the job. Nah, if you want to get a job or you wanna continue your study and you get the scholarship, actually you must make the application letter. Nah, di sini in this chapter we want to study about how to make the letter. Okay, now before we start, sekarang kita ke appreciation dulu, permulaan dulu ya. Okay, look at. Nah, di sini in the part A, work in pairs and discuss with your partner to complete the word with occupation, workplace, and responsibility. Nah, there is the example. Di situ ada occupation. Nah, lihat di sini ada mechanic. Nah, mechanic is a jobnya, occupationnya, and the workplace-nya itu di workshop, ya kan? And then the responsibilities-nya dia ngapain aja, jobnya ngapain kalau mechanic? Biasanya dia ada fixing vehicles, ada lagi dia membetulkan kendaraan, tapi itu khusus untuk yang kendaraan ya, mekanik. Nah, apalagi you can write the fourth ya, ada 4 web di sini. Nah, nanti kalian tinggal tulis di buku tulis seperti ini. Oke, bikin word web kayak gini, nggak usah pakai discuss, karena kan kita daring ya, jadi susah untuk discuss. Jadi cukup kalian kerjakan sendiri word webnya. Itu ada occupation, kalau you just write the occupation first, and then where is the workplace and the responsibilities. Okay, ada 4 lagi ya di situ ya. And then setelah itu nih, yang B di sini ada identify 5 occupation that teenager of your age may like and the reason. Nah, apa sih, what do you want to be nanti? Nah, sama why they are dreaming of the position. Nah, for example, occupationnya teacher. Nah, waktu itu when I'm in the teenagers ya, I want to be a teacher. So I write, for example, number 1, the occupation is teacher. The reason why, because to be a teacher, I will make the students to be misalkan smart, jadi lebih pintar, atau to be how to know to get the social with another, bisa sosialisasi dengan yang lainnya gitu. Okay, because to be a teacher not to teach about the material but can teach about the attitude. Nah, nggak hanya karena kalau misalnya menjadi guru nggak hanya mengajarkan tentang material, tapi mengajarkan tentang sikap gitu. Oke, and ini ya, jadi before we go to exercise, kita appreciation dulu ya, yang A sama yang B. Write on your exercise book ya. Oke. And the last, di sini there are two questions. The first, what do you want to be in the future? Nah, ini especially for you ya. What do you want to be in the future? Kalau tadi yang A sama yang B, yang A just explain about the occupation, the workplace and the responsibilities. Yang B-nya tentang teenagers, jadi nggak specially for you ya. Nah, kalau yang the last, this is specially for you. What do you want to be in the future and why? Ya, explain it. And number 2, what do people usually do when applying for a job? Nah, you must answer. What do people usually do? Apa yang harus orang-orang lakukan when applying for a job? Ketika dia mau melamar sebuah pekerjaan apa? Oke, you can answer ya A, B, and C. Kerjakan ya supaya nanti for the next meeting kamu mengerti apa yang harus kamu lakukan. Oke, itu aja. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Oh ya, don't forget do it on your exercise book and then write your name and don't forget sign. Tulis nama kamu dan tanda tangan di akhir latihannya. Oke. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.